everyone, this is Sam from 𝐦𝐨𝐷𝐿𝐼𝐚𝐼.com. I've got here a really cool little Hijet jumbo cab. This one's got a lift up on it and some aftermarket wheels and tyres with funny 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐬 written on it. It means something to someone, but it's pretty cool little truck. Looks quite tough with those wheels and tyres and the lift up. Got the little guards on the tail lights. You can see the deck is well, it's new. This is a 2018. It's done 8 kilometers, so someone's done all this work, modified it, they haven't driven it. And you can see in there it's still got the plastic on there from the factory. Seat cover. I'll start the engine up. There we go, 8 kilometers it's done. Never put a stereo in it. You can see that the shift knob, gear knob, absolutely mint, never been used. Got high-low range, got four-wheel drive, got diff lock, got air conditioning, got heater. Got all the tricks you need. As I said, it's a jumbo cab, so it's got this little bit of space behind the seat. There's little windows in the side. It can be useful. You can put your bag behind there, put your coat. Keeps you, gives you a little bit more space than the normal one. And you can still put long piece of wood or something, slide it under the cabin there. It's the same length as the normal deck. It's got a little work light on the back as well. You can switch that on and see what you're doing at night. So there we are. This one's going to be coming to the States. It's a really very clean truck with some nice little modifications. I should say you can see the lift up under here. Yeah, that's giving it the extra lift. I'm guessing it's about a 2-inch lift. Little spaces in there and underneath here as well. So this one's going to ship out very soon, coming to the United States. If you're interested in this truck, one like this, or you think you can make some money by distributing these trucks in your area in America, have a look on our website, 𝐷𝐿𝐼𝐚𝐼.com. There's a lot of information on there about how to do that, and I hope you found this interesting. Thank you very much for watching.